Boom! The Alpha Black by Alpharex. These things are blacker than black. It's black on black on black. You got black LED tubes, you got black accents, you got black badging. It doesn't get any darker than these. These are the creme de la creme of taillights for the 5th gen 4Runner. Alpharex, you know the name. They also make headlights. They make some other taillights too. They got a Pro Series. They got the Luxx Series. This is the Luxx Series that comes in a black and the Alpha Black. And then they also have a Pro Series, which they offer in a red smoke and a jet black. Today, I just wanted to show you guys the turn signals, the startup sequence, the brake lights, and just give you guys a little quick install on what it takes to throw these in. But these are freaking rad. All right, let's jump in. All right, in order to remove the taillights on the 5th gen 4Runner, there are two 10mm bolts right here. You just need to pull those off first. There's one. Kind of an awkward spot. That helps to have the deep socket. So there's like a little needle that comes out through that nut. And then there's a clip back there too. Just disconnect that clip. Here's what the back side of the housing looks like. And here's the clip on the outside that holds the tail light pretty much in place. If there's no 10mm on the back side right here, there and there, then that clip is what holds in this side of the housing right there. So to remove the taillight housing from the back side, you're really just pulling as hard as you can. You kind of have to wiggle it a little bit and yank straight back, and it'll pull the housing off of that clip right there. All right, here's a look at the back side of the housing. Here's where those two 10mm are going to go. There's your wiring harness that's going to clip in there, and then this little clip right there, or this channel, is where that clip is going to slide into. So just feed your wiring harness kind of through this hole right here, and then line up those two 10mm right there. And then line up that channel. And that's it. It's installed. It's super easy. All right, guys, that's it. These are the Alpha Blacks by Alpharex, and I'm incredibly stoked with the way they turned out on Jade's build here, because that amber in those LED tubes matches my amber caps in the front on my KC lights like perfectly. So I really like the Alpha Blacks. I'm super hyped on them. but they still have a ton of other options. They have 3 options in their Luxx line. They have the Alpha Blacks, they have the Red Blacks, they have the regular black, and in the Pro Series, they have 2 options as well. They have the Red Smoke and the Jet Black. So if you don't like the full blacked out look, you don't have to get those. You can choose from a bunch of different options, which is cool that Alpharex makes so many designs within their lineup. So we got these for $5.95 from YodaMafia.com. Yoda Mafia sells pretty much all of these lights and a bunch of other stuff too, but that's where we got them. So if you want to see more of the designs that they make, go over to trail4runner.com, type in Alpharex, and it'll bring you straight to this post that I wrote. This is basically a big write-up on all the photos of each light and then what technology they offer within each of those photos. Do they offer a startup sequence? Do they offer sequential turn signals? That kind of thing. So hope you liked it. If you have any questions on these, just leave them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to get back to you guys. And that's it for now. Talk to you soon. Peace.